Junior Power Kids. Welcome to the clubhouse and your Boredom Buster of the day. Today we are going to play one of my family's favorite games. We call it Huckle Buckle Bean Stock. Can you say that with me? Huckle Buckle Bean Stock. So what you do is you agree on an object, a small object, that will be hidden in the game. So the first person who's hiding it takes the object and hides it while everybody else who's playing has their eyes closed. And if you could put them in a different room, that would be even better. So they keep their eyes closed until the object is hidden and the hider tells them to go look for it. And so when the first person sees the object or finds the object, they don't let anybody else know where it is. And they go and they sit down on the couch or on the step or wherever you have chosen and say, Huckle Buckle Bean Stock. And so each person continues to look until everybody has found it. And then you can pick a new hider. Are you ready? Okay, I've got some helpers here. I've got Emmeline and Sally Scooter playing along with us. So they are going to close their eyes. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah!
All right, so close your eyes, no peeking. Good job, Emmeline. Keep going, Sally. Keep going. Keep looking. High and low. You're getting warmer. Warmer.
Huckle Buckle Bean Stock!
Yay! All right, that was so much fun. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Play it as much as you want at home. See you later.